Hi, and welcome to the Any Day Coffee Spell. This video was once a spilled coffee stain all alone by a kettle on a wooden board, and now it has become the curious Christmas tale of the Gropplesnook. 'Twas the night before Christmas, and all under the gilding, a little voice whispered, "Santa's left the building." And in through the wall quietly creeped the Gropplesnook. Some wonder if the Gropplesnook is a snowman, while others think that he's a yeti, but the truth is he's neither of those, although he may have inspired a story or two. He isn't a snowman because he doesn't want people to see him, and he isn't a yeti because he doesn't want to exist in the shadows. He's somewhere in the middle, which is where he likes to be most of all, in the colours of the in-between, where we find out who we really are in the quiet, still moments. The Gropplesnook lives in the heartlands in Little Moonseed world, but sometimes he likes to travel with his good friend Mr. Nibbleton, which he does by eating the prized nut from the cankle nut tree. This allows them to travel anywhere with just a thought. It's only the Gropplesnook that has this ability though, but he only uses it for good things. You see, once when he was travelling, he happened upon Santa Claus delivering presents, and he was intrigued. Santa had this huge long list with kids' names on it, and he was deciding whether they were naughty kids or nice kids, and leaving brightly wrapped presents for the good children and lumps of coal for the naughty ones. So as Mr. Nibbleton was testing out the doll-sized scooter, the Gropplesnook started taking away the coal and replacing it with a proper present, because he believes that there aren't naughty children or nice children, because he thinks that all children are children. Which is not how the Grogers from the Badlands think, because they believe that all earthlings are equally crunchy when they're fried, and they're stuffed in a bun with ketchup and lettuce. But luckily the Gropplesnook only eats cankle nuts, and sometimes, if he's very, very lucky, marshmallows, which are his all-time favourite treat. So if you're filling up a glass with milk and laying out some biscuits for Santa and putting out a carrot or two for the reindeer, maybe leave a marshmallow for the Gropplesnook and his good friend Mr. Nibbleton. So that's the tale of the Gropplesnook. Now you know all about it. If you would like to draw your own creation from this coffee spill, you can find the spill image as well as the Gropplesnook on Little Moonseed's Facebook and Instagram page. Would love to see what you see in the coffee, so when you finish doing your designs, don't forget to share them on Facebook and Instagram so that we can all have a look and see and praise you and say hooray, because you are awesome. I just wanted to say thank you so much for all this amazing year I have been on YouTube. I've been so very lucky and fortunate to be a part of your world. And thank you so, so much for being a part of mine. And for me and all the creatures in Little Moonseed, I hope you have the most fantastic, wonderful festive season of all, with lots and lots of love and hugs and smiling faces, because they are the best gifts of all. Merry Christmas, everyone.